Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play media from local network on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, you have to open the home dashboard, navigate down to settings, select network, and make sure that you are connected to your local network. So it can be the wireless device connection, it can be wired connection if you have the LAN cable. Just make sure that you are connected to your local Wi-Fi network or local LAN network. After that, you have to go to system settings and then scroll down to more and make sure that audio video sharing option is enabled. If it is enabled, you have to return back to the dashboard. Then on the sidebar, navigate down to sources, select audio video sharing, then select your local network folder and select the media that you want to play. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.